Hi everybody, I'm Carolyn from Norcross, Madagascar. Thank you so much for joining us on day 8, 9. I'm gonna get it right, I'm so sorry. Day 9 of, no, it's 8.
Nah, last week was 8.
Really? Because we've
Got 4 days left.
24,
9, 10,
23,
11, 12.
22, 21, 12, 11, 10, 9. Hi everybody, welcome to day 9 of our 12 Days of Crystal Christmas. Professionalism at its best. Now you know why when I say I don't rehearse, I'm not lying. I am so sorry. And Mondays are always hectic. It's a short week, so I am so sorry if you can be patient with me. But to make it up to you, I am going to show you some of the coolest little bears ever. These guys are the cutest little gift. They're our fetish bears. They're really reasonable. They're between $13 and $25 depending on the stone. We've got some amazing examples. We're always going to show you the really cool labradorite. I'm going to hope this guy has rainbows all over it. So I'm hoping, is that going?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is, I mean, I was just walking by and I grabbed 2 or 3 off the shelf. The rainbows in these are amazing. And then we've got this guy here who, if I kind of do it that way, you're going to see a lot of the blue flash. But if I switch it, look at that. He just turns green and it's solid. I mean, how amazing is this? This, it doesn't matter which way you're going to look at it, you're going to get that amazing crystal flash. We've also got our other stones. I'll go through. Do we want to start top or bottom? You aim at them and I'll start pointing to them. How's that?
I got a zebra right there.
Okay, so this one is our little zebra and it is so cool. I love with the zebra when the pattern starts changing. So it starts out up here really, really tight, and then it goes into like the butt area of it where it's like the larger black on it, which I think is really, really, really cool. The next one, speaking of stones that usually kind of don't look really different, this has got some amazing flash in it, the indigo gabbro, and I think you can maybe see it in through there. It's such a great grounding stone. I'm going to try to not hold their little faces. It's a really great grounding stone. It's a great stone. A lot of people will come in and they'll be like, I want to get my husband, my significant other, my boyfriend, whoever, into stones a little bit. And with this, I mean, it's you know, because of the colors, I'm going to say it's more of a masculine stone. So it really is a great looking stone. This gorgeous apatite one, our apatite is just amazing with the blues. This one has some really great blue in it, some really great crystals in it. It's really a gemmy piece. I love the patterns in it. Apatite is a very soft stone, and when we carve it, we stabilize it. And you can see all of the different matrices. And when we stabilize it, it makes it stay together, so we can do these gorgeous carvings. So this one is really a cute little guy. Chestnut jasper, lately been one of my favorites. I love the patterning in it. This one is really pretty much the same, but when you flip it, you've got all these stripes on the bottom, so you can see, maybe if I don't cover it with my finger, you can see all the really pretty stripes on it. This little, I've been trying to talk to you, and I'm sorry if I'm kind of moving it everywhere because I just saw the little green face on this petrified wood bear. Green is one of the rarest colors when it comes to petrified wood. And this little guy, you can see, has a little green face and some really gorgeous wood patterning on him. So, and you can see the size of these. You can use them, where is it? You can use them as like a palm stone. They do stand up. So if you want to have like a little herd of these guys on your desk, you can do that too. The Amazonite, our Amazonite is so stunningly gorgeous. Whoops, we doing okay?
Oh, yeah.
It's with the smoky quartz, with the tourmaline, with the topaz, with the Amazonite, the patterning on it, the color in it. Some people call it Malagasy turquoise. It's just gorgeous. It really, really, truly is. Another one with really cool patternings that you're never gonna really be able to figure out. crocodile jasper. You can see the patterning on this, some of the larger ones, some of the smaller ones, the contrast between the black and the green. I love that. Next one is rose quartz. This one is a really great way to bring sort of a masculine stone or a masculine carving into a more feminine side with the rose quartz. This is such a pretty piece of rose quartz. If you put this in a windowsill or something, imagine the light coming through and casting like a really soft pale pink glow. That is really cool. This guy's a little bit bigger than the rest. This is yellow jasper. It's got some really great coloring on it. I love yellow jasper. It's kind of becoming a bit of a favorite along with the chestnut jasper just because of the patterning on it. Some of the swirls and the colors are really, really, really cool. I'll just have those so you can see that these are all hand carved, and you can see the difference in the sizes of these two. So they definitely are. This guy here is super, super cool. This is septarian, and you can see this huge pocket of druze in it. So it's really, really cool with the fossil and then the calcite with that really great druze pocket. And some people, it's kind of a personal preference thing. Some people think, oh, that's the coolest thing. I absolutely love how interesting it is. And other people are like, oh, it's got a hole in it. I think it's really, really cool, and you can see the other side. So if you hold this up to the light, that yellow is going to shine through, and if you do it like with that, the pattern's got to be amazing when you do that. The last one I'm going to show you is one Greg grabbed. I'm saying I grabbed the labradorite ones. This is the coolest carnelian agate ever. I love this centerpiece with the banding. You know, it kind of shows you with the carnelian that it does come from the agate. You can see this amazing banding in it. It's got that tiny little, like right in the middle, that little piece of druze right there. So this one's really, really cool. It's kind of a cream color as well. So it's not that deep, deep red color, but the creamy color with like the oranges and then those bands and the druze. I love these bears. They're so cute. These are all between $13 and $25. So they're really, really, really quite economical to get. The prices on them are really good. They're a great size. So whether you want, I want to look at the blue so you guys can see the green. It is gorgeous, these pieces. And you know, we're known for the labradorite, and this is why we're known for our labradorite. It is amazingly gorgeous. Once again, they're $13, I believe, to $25. Give us a call, 520-882-8884. Shoot us an email, sales@madagascarminerals.com. We are still shipping priority mail, so you might be able to get it before Christmas. If not, take a picture of it and say, hey, I want to get you one of these. Pick out your favorite stone and then give us an order after the fact. But once again, these bears, how amazing is that flash? Give us a call, 520-882-8884. Shoot us an email, sales@madagascarminerals.com. They all come with the really cute black velvet gift bag. So we do appreciate your time. Thanks for joining us. And we will see you tomorrow for, I swear to goodness gracious, it will be day 10 of our 12 Days of Crystal Christmas. Thanks.